recently in Rajkot, for not carrying the dead cow, a family of Mr. Rathod who were beaten up again. If you pick up, even then you are beaten up. Even if you are not carrying it, then also you are beaten up. This is a kind of atrocity that has now been unleashed on the scheduled caste. And therefore, across the nation, there are agitations going on. At least one good point I may say is that within the scheduled caste, we had the subdivisions. But recently, all agitations which are taking place, all subdivisions have come together and have made loud announcements that henceforth we are not going to fall a prey to our subdivisions, but we are going to stand as Dalits. We have now decided that these campaigns which are taking place across the states should be consolidated in Delhi, and therefore this new manch has been formed, that is Dalit Swabhiman Sangharsh. Main object of the manch is to consolidate all these agitations and make Delhi as the center and unite all these organizations together into one force on a socio-religious culture. And it was decided that on 16th of September in Delhi we will hold Dharna Kam conference on Parliament Street. The RSS is propagating its cultural nationalism. So we are going to place our socio-cultural issues on one hand, and the second hand, we will place the agenda for socialization of democracy and also the next phase of social changes that should take place in the society. We still believe that the RSS has same agenda and they would like to carry on with it. And therefore, we would like to have an open dialogue with the RSS on that issue. And therefore, we have said that we will place our social cultural agenda along with the social changes that needs to be taken place. And through that agenda, we are going to confront RSS that you do not believe in equality, you do not believe in individual liberty, but on the other hand, you would like to cage the human being into caste. Instead of individual liberty ruling, they would like the caste liberty ruling in the country. And therefore, we felt that it is necessary and high time that all Dalit organizations should come together. Let me put across that we do invite all Dalit organizations, but at the same time we make a distinction that those Dalit organizations and Dalit leaders who are with the present ruling class, we do not associate themselves with this movement. It's a sort of a cultural revolution, you can say, which we will be beginning on the 16th of September, and there we will be projecting our agendas. When they say Manuvadi, there is no democracy, but Manuvad and democracy can't go in hand. That is why what we said is that on the 16th, we will be directly confronting them on their cultural nationalism.